What it do, guys? Reggie P here. Hey, would you like to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video and all my videos, drop a comment down below, which is hashtag the grind is real. Share this video and all my videos on Instagram. Make sure you follow me at appgrind. And once I reach 4,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick somebody that follow these guidelines and they will get a chance to win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, subscribe now. Now let's get into this video. This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on. Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $600 to share YouTube videos. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And very, very soon, probably in a couple of days, 2 people is going to win free money. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It really helps out my channel and it helps out this video to be seen by more people on YouTube. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, or opinions on what I'm discussing in this video. Now, I want to say this before I get into the method. Thank you guys for getting me so close to 4,000. I'm 20 subscribers away. Let's keep on sharing my videos. Let's get there. We only got 2 days left before October. I want to get there, guys. So keep sharing. And if you're new, hit that subscribe button right now, because I'm going to give away free money once I get to 4,000. So if you're new, you still got a chance. Hit that subscribe button right now and share my videos. Now, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because it's going to be a couple of steps. Matter of fact, 3 or 4 steps you're going to have to take to get this money. Now, you need to follow it step by step. So please don't click away. Watch it all the way through. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm on YouTube. And what I did, I typed how to lose weight fast, and these videos popped up. So these are the videos, these are the type of videos that you're going to share, and you're going to make money from these videos. So let's go to this one right here. It says lose weight fast, how to lose belly fat, how to lose weight fast, and look, 1 million views. And check this one out. 7 tips how to lose weight fast for teenagers at home. 2.6 million views. And here's another one. 15 pounds in 1 week. Fast weight loss. How to lose inches. 800,000 views. So you want to pick videos like this that has a lot of views. And let's just go ahead and click on one. Okay, so once you come here and pull up this video, click down here where it says share, and this window gonna pop up, and you'll be able to get the link by copying it right here. And what you're gonna do next is go to this website where you're gonna make the money at for sharing links. So let's go over there right now. Okay, I'm at the next website, and the name of this website is OKE.io. So this is a website where you can shorten links or shorten URLs, and you're going to earn money. So as you can see here, when you join, you earn money on every link you shorten, up to $70, 10,000 views. So guys, if you get 10,000 views, you're going to get $70. And it's going to be real easy to get that. So what I'm going to do now is log into my account so you can see how it looks on the inside and see how to shorten the link. And then we're going to go to the next step. So let me go ahead and log in now. Okay, I'm inside my account. So once you go ahead and sign up and get your account set up, and once you get a link from YouTube, you're going to come here and you're going to shorten it right here. So you put your URL right here and you click shorten, and it makes its own little shortened link with its like a code there. And what you're going to do is go ahead and copy that link, and you're going to take it to this other website where you're going to get a lot of views. So let me go ahead and go to that website. Okay, I'm at the next website. So the name of this website is Find a Form. And once you come to this website, you're going to click on categories. Of course, you're going to have to sign up with this website. But click on categories, and then you're going to look for dieting and weight loss forms. So as you can see here, 3 fat chicks on a diet weight. That's a funny name. But anyway, this form right here has 259,000 topics, 4 million posts, and 168 million members. I'm sorry, 168,000 members. So guys, when you get that link from oke.io, you're going to come to this form right here, and you're going to be able to put your link down in this form, and I'm telling you, you're going to get 10,000 views to check out those videos. So what I want you to do is get at least 2 videos about weight loss that's over, 800 to 1 million views. Come over here. Go to OKE, shorten those links, then come over here, and you're going to go ahead and put them on this form. Now, you just don't want to put it down, put the link down, and that's it. You're going to have to say something kind of appealing for them to check out the links. So you probably want to say something like this. You want to say, hey, check out these 2 videos that tell you how to lose weight. Absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money. So please click on these 2 videos. That's all you have to say. Something like that. You can make up something yourself, or you can just use what I just said. And I'm telling you, you're going to get a lot of clicks and a lot of views. And once you get those views, up to 10,000 views, you're going to get $70. But all you need is 1,000 views, and you're going to get up to $20. And it's going to happen quick, guys. So that's the steps. So go ahead and get at least 2 videos from YouTube. Go to oke.io, shorten the links, and then go to find a form, sign up, look for diet and weight loss forms, and place your links there, and watch the money start rolling in. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 100 likes. And drop that comment down below if you have any questions about this method. And don't forget to type hashtag the grind is real so you can get a chance to win this free money once I hit 4,000 subscribers, which will be in a couple of days. And please share this all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of these videos that I drop. You know why? Because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, Grind family, thanks again for your support. Keep watching, and I'm gonna keep dropping this content and keep giving away money. But anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks again. Road to 4,000 in a couple of days. Let's get there. And one more thing, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Go check out some of these other videos until my next one come out. Peace.
Get your grind on, yeah. 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 Get your grind on, yeah.